Tell us the difference between the first and the fourth time here.
Let's see, well, I feel like I have a lot more energy, which helps me with my transfers. I'm able to transfer more. I have more sensation in my legs, I feel. So like I can feel more like pressure and things, and I have more bowel and bladder control. So that's been very helpful too. Well, I've done some research. I had a spinal stroke, and I wanted to have the best possibility of trying to regain any type of movement or feeling in my lower extremities. So I came here because I researched and I found this was the best place. I had the IV drips, 2 IV drips. I had the hyperbaric chamber, and then I had stem cells, the intrathecal. So the first time I couldn't feel when they injected the stem cells, but this time, since I'm gaining more sensitivity, I was able to feel the injection in my lower extremities, which is the area that I'm trying to focus on. And so, like my bottom is getting more sensitive. Like I can't sit as long, so that's good because it's feeling stuff when I used to not be able to feel things, and just more sensitivity. Oh, it's very fun. It's like not just all medical. You get to meet a lot of the people and talk and kind of get to know some of the patients and the staff. And then during like your time in between the appointments, you get to go and walk around the mall, see the shops, try different kinds of foods that you wouldn't, try in America, and just kind of just observe the culture, just like observe all the city life and everything. I just love it. But now I've been having some sensation, like feeling more, and I can also like control my bowel and bladder more, which is really a good accomplishment. So yeah, that's been a really good progression, and hopefully we'll see more progression as it goes. Good memory, good concentration, so it just helps your overall health.
The way you guys take care of your patients is second to none. Absolutely second to none. You make sure everybody's informed every step of the way. Our energy levels have definitely gone up. Along with the fact that her control in bladder and bowel has drastically increased over the course of the 3 treatments thus far. Given where the progression's gone so far, besides her increased strength, which has been massive, her attitude has changed drastically. Her outlook on the whole situation has changed, which has been great. I've done my research, and I am litigious when I do research about a place when it comes to medical.
Yeah.
And you're number 1 in the world.
Yeah, my personal caregiver has mentioned it. Yeah, she's like, you seem like you have a lot more energy, it's like easier for her to transfer me. She didn't have to do as much work, and I have more control, so she's very happy about that. Yeah, everybody's very personal, and they remember, from the first time to the 4th time, like they remember stuff, so it's not, like they remember little tidbits, like that you might have mentioned to them, not just medically, so, and they ask, and, so it's kind of nice. It's like a family. More hands-on, definitely, and more time they spend with you. Like they'll sit there with you longer. Like in America, a lot of doctors, they're just in and out in 5 minutes. You wait an hour and then you're out in 5 minutes. Here, you barely even wait, and then you get a good, long time with them, as much as you need. So that's what I like here.